this'll be my coolest panel. But when they see it, all they see is just a gruesome scandal, erasing all signs of life, calling to you some vandals. They can't handle the truth, so that's how the truth is handled. Deep into the music and this art, man, it's true love. Didn't even notice when the train pulled up. Before the blood stains faded or the engine cool off, that very same train hit another rider, ooh la, on a different continent, though Europe. But then they came to the same place that I'm sure of in this world. People always looked upon them as a terror, but now 50,000 chariots singing the chorus going ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba. Graffiti writers won't die, no. I'm telling you, because these walls don't lie, no. Come on, I'm dedicating this song to those gone, your memory live on. I know a lot of people, including myself, get uncomfortable when people, including myself, get emotional. But I gotta be true to myself and to most of y'all. Man, I still got love for graffiti culture, though a lot of people, including myself, get uncomfortable when people, including myself, get emotional. But I gotta be true to myself and to most of y'all. Man, I still got love for graffiti culture, though a lot changed from the days that's breaking stories. See me in the yard today, lost like a freaking tourist, and I don't claim to know much. All I really know is we were 17 once, acting like we were immortals, fearing no evil people. Said we had no morals, that's fine. They corrupt world, they really wasn't for us. We just laughed at the bullshit names that they call us. Hated us, we hated them, and both sides find out what the war is. We were winning in the beginning, then find out about the horrors. Don't get me wrong, I love 100% no less. Peace to my people, we grow with the knowledge. I bite tone deaf, same time I'm paying homage to cats from South Africa, riders from New York, Australia, Spain, France, and Germany up north. Still the same rapper telling cops to fuck off. And all my riders survived, this my love song to y'all. Don't they know that graffiti can't be stopped? This one is to my train bombing, train crashing. All my graph writers from off the sun up. Reminiscing on many a days of being a writer. You know graffiti won't die, no. Because these walls don't lie, no. To all my people worldwide, yo. All my riders survive, yo. I'm one, two, but you don't stop. Another short shot. Production, DJ Large, and promo on the mic, for all my people, graffiti writers. Goes a little something like this. It was the last days of summer sun shining through the window. Life moving real slow, you know how things go. His friends knew him by the name of Bingo, as he turned up the volume on a hot new single from Lil Troop, his favorite rap group. He loved.
The sun was dressed in blue. Yeah, the renovation colors ran out in my room. I wanna paint them wherever you go. I wanna thrill you, but I want it slow. I wanna fly in the room of your arms. I wanna enjoy all of your shine. Everything beautiful, I think it's wonderful. Stone me
Ready or not, here I come, you can't hide. Gonna find you and take it slowly. Ready or not, here I come, you can't hide. Gonna find you and make you want me.
Now that I escape, sleep, walk awake. Those who correlate know the world ain't cake. Jail bars ain't golden gates. Those who fake, they break. When they meet their 400-pound mate, if I could rule the world, everyone would have a gun in the ghetto, of course, when get the up and on their horse. Kick around drinking moonshine. I pour a sip on the concrete for the deceased, but no, don't weep. Why Clef's in a state of sleep, thinking about the robbery that I did last week. Money in the bag, banker look like a drag. I wanna play with pelicans from here to Baghdad. Gun blast, think fast, I think I'm hit. My girl pinched my hips to see if I